Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I am Jay. So welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas, aka Slay Mask for my babes. So in today's video, I decided to go ahead and do a fun Christmas themed video, and I decided to feature some Christmas lights. And I feel like this look is pretty self-explanatory, so I won't be doing a voiceover on this look. I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch. So without further ado, let's skip the chit chat and get right into the video. And here is my final look. Okay, it's given very much Christmas. I love this look so much and I have fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed my silent video and just relax and watch my video there without me talking every 2 minutes. So like I always say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time that I upload. Also make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Jaiye.Pierre and on TikTok at Jaiye.Pierre_. If for some reason you don't have TikTok or Instagram, I'm going to leave a list right here on the screen on every social media platform that I have. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on each one that you have, and I will check you guys in my next video. Okay, love you guys, bye.